What's up, guys? It's Matthew's Fishing Adventures. I'm just doing a quick video. Today we're gonna be doing how to pair a brown trout for cooking. So I'm gonna go through step by step on how to fillet it and then what I do to cook it. So let's get into this video. So your first step, guys, you get some gloves so you don't get all the fishy stuff on you. You get a chopping board, your fillet knife, and then there's your fresh fish. Here's a trout I got the other day, nice brown, like you can see. So we're going to unwrap the tray. So there's your nice fresh fish. And then you just put your rubbish aside, and then you grab your knife, and then you do this. So you start up here where the head is, and you cut down till you feel the spine, and then you go along the spine. So there we go. There's one nice fillet. Now we flip. Okay, after you do the first side, guys, you flip it over, and then you do the same thing. You start on the other side, and then you do the same thing. Bring it along the spine, so. And you got our other perfect fillet. So there's a nice fillet, and of course this one is a lot better how I did it. So then what you do, guys, after you do that, make sure there's no more. Sometimes you just put some meat, take the meat off whatever left, like so. There we go, we got some meat there. And then we do that. And then we go over to the fillets again. So we got a little bit of spine here that we'll cut out. So we're just gonna cut it out. The fillets in the bowl here. So now I'm just doing a seasoning. So in this season mix, I've got all-purpose paprika, salt, and pepper. So what I'm just doing, guys, I'm just spreading it over the fish. So we can chuck it on the. So how we're gonna cook it, guys? We're gonna season it all up like so. Gonna season it up. Okay, so the next step is the cooking process. So we've got a small pan here. So we're gonna go get so what we're gonna cook in it. So we're gonna use some butter in the pan. So what we do, we light up the stove first. Like so. That's there. And then we're gonna get a teaspoon of butter. And we're gonna chuck that in the pan. So we're just gonna do that. So we're gonna butter up the pan. Like so. Guys, we're up to the cooking process. So we've got our pan with some butter in it. So we're gonna heat that up. a little bit. So we're gonna just let it heat up for a bit, and then we can chuck in the fish. So what we're gonna do, so that's the pieces of fish there. So we're gonna just chuck it all in the pan. So like you guys can see, and then what you do after that, guys, you flip it, you cook it for about 2 minutes on each side, and then you enjoy it. So that will conclude this on how I cook a trout. So hopefully guys did like this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe and share.